So, isang magandang umaga, hapon, gabi sa inyong lahat. I am in the museum right now, Pinto Art to be exact. And mag-ano tayo ng first museum entry natin. Like, literal. This is my first museum. And here we are. Gallery 1 ito. What the hell? Now, I don't know how quiet I should be. Pero tahimik lang tayo. Para hindi abala. Would you look at that? That's nice. What the hell? Yan. Ay, hindi ko pala nasama. This is day 5 of the vlog. Ay, kita mo talaga. There are different type pieces of artwork. Ayan o. Pinagkumpol-kumpol na different types of masterpieces. Or maybe 7 galleries. Ayan. Ganda na. Ayan siya. So, you can really tell that each individually made art pieces are made with like emotion, hidden intentions. It's very amusing. Like kanina na you can feel a bit of connection between the artworks and you na like na ano ka talaga, na draw in ka because of just from the title alone. Parang nagigets mo siya. Maybe we'll leave mga ano oras na? It's currently 4:10, mga 4:30ish para may panahon pa tayo makapagkain. And to summarize all of this stuff, ay hindi ko yung nakita oh. This pa siyang marbling. Ang cute, creepy. The flower, what's that flower? Anong pangalan yan? There is no Planet 8 by Phillips Ines or Ines? Philip Ines. Malalaman natin yung mamaya. This is a good place for couples and others with friends. You can find peace in each one of these artworks. Because each one symbolizes something. And yes, kumbaga yun yung pinakalas. Dito po yung sapatos or pwede lang dito? Ito. But, alam mo yun? The repeatedness. Oh. Kaya na pala umintindi guys kasi ako hindi ko na siya naintindihan. My brain capacity is not that large to understand this piece of artwork. Yeah, I believe this is an artwork. Kasi meron na siya, there's a different kinds of I don't know how to call it, pero stuff na I cannot explain due to my lack of knowledge about art. Pero ito na. For the last look at that. Amazing. Shit. It cracked. Sobrang bigat ko. I'm very sorry. So yun na yun guys. What? Cute. Picturean ko. See the whole thing. Kasama na si ate. Saan papakain ng pusa? Peacock right there. Peacock. Pusang ka na. Lalakad na siya. Bye-bye. What a beautiful species. Hindi ko. At nasa labas na ako guys. So there we have it. This is day 5 of the museum tour. And I'll be seeing you guys back at home. Time check. 4:44 na. Yes, I'll be checking you back at home. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Good evening, everyone. So it's currently 9:05 today. Tangina, ulit. Good evening, everyone. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Good evening, everyone. It's currently 9:05 in the evening. Bobo. The evening nga ni. 1, 2, 3, go. Good evening, everyone. It's currently 9:05 in the evening and we gotta be quiet kasi natutulog na yung ibang tao sa bahay. So, before I end the day 5 tama? Oh, day 5 vlog. Let's summarize what happened today. So, pumunta tayo ng museum. We roamed around in Pinto Art. We saw a lot of interesting art pieces, some relatable, and may feeling ako na connected ako sa artwork na yon, something familiar, something like that, and some very abstract, mahirap intindihin, between those lines. Anyways, after that, we went to sa school yung food court ng Fatima kasi bumili ako ng ulam, or rather pagkain for dinner. After that, I went home. Mga nakarating ako mga 7:30-ish. Kumain ako. Kakatapos ko lang actually kumain. Mga 8:40 ata. 8:40, 8:50. And it's currently 9:07. Magda 9:08. So, this is where we part, guys. I'll see you in day 6. And have a great evening. Thank you for watching up to this point. I am glad that you are still watching. Anyways, it's 9:08. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Kasi yun yung day 6 natin. And there is a Halloween event in the company ni Tita. So, look forward to it. You might ask na, masyado mahina yung boses ko ngayon. Well, may natutulog na po kasi. And, I don't wanna be so loud na maririnig nila ako sa taas. And, tiyan, may kwarto pa kasi, sa kabila. I'm in the basement right now. And, sa kabila, may yan, nagpitukan na yan. You see that? Yes, that one. May hallway, and the next, at the end of the hallway, there's another room, which is my room. Well, technically not my room, our room. Room ng papa ko. Yes. Anyways, again, thank you for watching up to this point. I'll be seeing you guys in day 6. And have a great day, great evening, great afternoon, what time you are watching this. And I'll be seeing you guys day 6. Bye-bye.